Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the last name of the 17th century astronomer known as Galileo? Is it A. Einstein, B. Kepler, C. Galilei, or D. Newton? The answer is C. Galilei.
Galileo Galilei, the renowned 17th-century astronomer, was a pivotal figure in the scientific revolution. His last name, Galilei, reflects his family's Tuscan roots. Galileo's groundbreaking use of the telescope unveiled celestial wonders like Jupiter's moons and challenged prevailing geocentric views, earning him both admiration and controversy in his time.
Question 2. Which famous scientist was taught math by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s? Is it A. Stephen Hawking, B. Albert Einstein, C. Isaac Newton, or D. Galileo Galilei? The answer is B. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein, the iconic physicist known for his theory of relativity, was taught mathematics by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s. Minkowski later expanded on Einstein's work by introducing the concept of spacetime, a four-dimensional space that combines time and three-dimensional space, paving the way for a deeper understanding of gravity.
Question 3. Which disease causes tremors and is often treated with hand exercises to improve motor skills? Is it A. Parkinson's, B. Alzheimer's, C. ALS, or D. Multiple sclerosis? The answer is A. Parkinson's.
Parkinson's disease, first described by James Parkinson in 1817, affects over 10 million people worldwide. While tremors are a hallmark symptom, the condition also impacts balance and coordination. Interestingly, boxing-inspired workouts have gained popularity as a therapeutic exercise to enhance motor skills and boost confidence among those affected.
Question 4. What is biology the study of? Is it A. Syphilis, B. Rheumatic diseases, C. Bell ringing, or D. Life? The answer is D. Life.
Biology, the study of life, encompasses everything from microscopic bacteria to towering redwoods and complex human beings. It explores how life forms interact with each other and their environments, revealing fascinating insights like how some plants can talk through chemical signals or how certain animals can regenerate lost body parts.
Question 5. What is Mereology? Is it A. a New Age religion that focuses on astrology, B. the process by which toxins are removed from the body, C. a branch of logic focusing on part-whole relationships, or D. the study of weather patterns? The answer is C. a branch of logic focusing on part-whole relationships.
Mereology, the study of part-whole relationships, delves into fascinating questions like whether a car is simply the sum of its parts or something more. This branch of logic challenges our understanding of objects and their components, influencing fields from philosophy to computer science by exploring how entities are interconnected.
Question 6. In physics, what phenomenon can be defined as a change in the direction of motion of a particle because of a collision with another particle? Is it A. cohesion, B. adhesion, C. scattering, or D. diffusion? The answer is C. scattering.
Scattering is a fascinating phenomenon that not only explains why the sky is blue but also plays a crucial role in technologies like radar and medical imaging. When light or other particles collide and scatter, they reveal hidden structures, allowing scientists to explore everything from atomic nuclei to distant galaxies.
Question 7. In computer networking, what do the initials HTTP stand for? Is it A. High-top transduction paths? B. Hard-time telecommunications pact? C. Head-to-tail photons? Or D. Hypertext transfer protocol? The answer is D. Hypertext transfer protocol.
HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of data communication on the World Wide Web. Invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, it revolutionized how we access information online. HTTP operates as a request-response protocol between clients and servers, enabling seamless browsing experiences that have become integral to modern life.
Question 8. Who was inspired by an apple falling? Is it A. Isaac Newton? B. Charles Darwin? C. Ernest Rutherford? Or D. Archimedes? The answer is A. Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton's legendary inspiration from a falling apple led to his groundbreaking work on gravity. While the story is often romanticized, it highlights Newton's ability to observe everyday phenomena and ask profound questions. This simple event sparked ideas that revolutionized our understanding of the universe, linking celestial and terrestrial physics.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity never goes extinct. Until next time, keep your mind sharp and your atoms buzzing. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.